Hey tubers! This video is about restarting tire pressure loss warning system in Mercedes-Benz sedans and SUVs vehicles. Whenever you change tire pressure in current tires or installed new rims or tires, you need to reset tire pressure monitoring system to ensure that tire pressures are properly monitored. It is important to set the proper tire pressure according to your vehicle spec before resetting monitoring system. You can find the recommended tire pressure for your car on a sticker in the door jamb. The initialization process adopts the set inflation tire pressures as reference values for the detection of a flat tire. To start tire pressure monitoring system reset, start the engine and press home button on steering wheel. Press arrow down or up on the steering wheel to select an menu, and press OK to confirm selection. Go to service, then tire pressure and press OK for run flat indicator active. You should see run flat indicator restarted message. After driving for a few minutes, the system checks whether the current tire pressures are within the specified range. The new tire pressures are then accepted as reference values and monitored. That is all for Mercedes-Benz tire pressure monitoring system reset. Have a nice day and safe driving.